Hi friends, here at the ROQ booth with Alex taking a look at the new ROQ-E 8-color tin station. This press is going to be coming back. This will be actually in our showroom in the next couple of weeks here. And we're just going to take a look. So this press runs on no air, or?
It is still pneumatic. There is still air running through it. The good part about it is that the compressor is actually built into the base of the machine. So it saves you a lot of money. You don't have to run plumbing. You don't have to buy an external compressor, which that is still an option. If you look on top over there, there actually is a fitting to where you can place air into it if you needed to, as well as the electrical panel being on top that you can hardwire straight into also. But the press is still pneumatic. Yeah.
Beautiful. So the head functions, what are we using to move the heads?
You can program the heads to move automatically from the interface up here, but otherwise you can use it individually here straight on the print head. One thing about the ROQs is they're extremely easy to use. They're super user friendly. The icons are basically telling you what they are, right? So if you look at the icon here, it literally looks like the front of the print head, and it's got arrows going up and down, so it's pretty self-explanatory as to what it does, right? The button on the top left here looks just like your squeegees inside the screen do. That's pretty obvious that it'll tell you that you're going to be doing your print strokes. The reverse button right here is literally just going to move you back one step. The toggle looking button here can release your palettes, which you're going to be using pretty frequently on the Geneva Drive press like this one. And this is how you're going to move around the press when you're doing sample prints. Do a simple print, unlock your star, move over to your next position. You'll see the 3 lights illuminate up top. That tells you that you're in alignment with where your press needs to be. Go ahead and hit start and relock your star. Continue on printing.
Beautiful. We got a big yellow lever on top.
Yes, sir. So right now, we'll call this like chill mode that we're sitting in right now, right? If we bring the print head down, now we're in print mode. Or we can pop this handle up and go up into maintenance mode, which makes it extremely easy to pull your screens down, put your hardware in and out, clean your screens, pull lens off, cover up pinholes, whatever you need to do on your daily production.
All right, while this head, what is this funky-ass palette we got here?
This palette is unique specifically for our tag bot we have up on the machine right now. So it allows you to print your chest prints and your relabel at the same exact time. These palettes are completely interchangeable. You can pop them off really easily. The ROQ presses are known for that. Just having a simple lever, quick pop off, and quick and easy reinstall.
Very sweet. The LCD control panel we have over here.
Yes, sir.
And we got 2-position, the laser lights for 2-position.
Yes, sir. And you can actually equip the press with 4 if need be. One thing that's cool about the lasers, they do have the straight line, but they also have the dots on them so that you can kind of square up where your designs are going. So if you're doing like some polo tees with a pocket print, you can really use the lasers to dial and square out that image to put it exactly where you need it to go.
Very cool. Thanks for taking some time with us.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
If you guys want to see this press live and in action, stop by the ROQ booth. It'll be running through the impression show. If not, by the end of February, it will be running in our Atlanta showroom classroom, our new 3-day ROQ Your Press class. Please check it out online. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like or a share. And as always, God bless. Love you.
Come see me.